Well, hello there, folks. I am going to have to abandon my beautiful, lovely plans for my wattle fence because I looked across the fence at my neighbor's backyard, not 5 feet away from my fence, and I noticed a giant hole that was dug. Not by a dog. It was dug from underground to above. So I researched the hole, and Marmot invasion has begun. Now, if you're uncertain about what a marmot is, it is a mid-sized rodent that's part of the marmot family and has gone by several names such as groundhog, woodchuck, whistle pig, and even land beaver. Have you ever heard such a thing? Whistle pig. I must insert a photo here. They have gained popularity in North America as we have trusted them with the protection of a long winter or early spring, depending on if they are willing to come out of hibernation on Groundhog Day. Everybody is interested in that old nasty Groundhog Day, aren't they? 2 weeks more winter, 2 weeks less of winter, yada yada. Yeah, we all know about Groundhog Day, don't we? But we don't know about the damage that a marmot can do. There are 15 species of marmot according to their regions of either North America, Europe, or Asia. While I can't say how many other nicknames they have acquired across the world, I can give them a few, I can tell you, but it's not safe to say around small children, so I'll keep my mouth shut. You would be safe to refer to them as any of the above listed names when calling Winchester Wildlife Willie. Yeah. So it's safe to say this year I have the invasion of the marmot, the groundhog, for my garden. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to do my best. And I'll let you know and keep you updated on what's going on and what all they're eating. Yes, what all they're eating, folks.